If you're over 60 and still using the same cooking oils you've used for decades, it might be time for a change. That golden bottle sitting in your pantry could be doing more harm than good. For seniors especially, the oils we cook with matter more than ever. As we age, our bodies become more sensitive to what we eat. Our metabolism slows down, inflammation builds up more easily, and our hearts, joints, and digestion can react strongly to the wrong kinds of fat. That's why today's video is all about helping you make smarter, safer choices in the kitchen, starting with the oil you use. We're going to reveal 3 common oils to avoid and why they're especially risky for older adults. Then we'll introduce you to 4 healthier options that support your heart, brain, joints, and energy. This isn't about trendy diets or expensive ingredients. It's about simple changes that can reduce inflammation, improve nutrient absorption, and help you feel better every time you eat. Because cooking is more than just preparing food, it's a chance to care for your health, one meal at a time. Let's begin with the number 1 oil to avoid. It's in almost every kitchen, but may be doing real damage behind the scenes. Oil to avoid. Number 1, vegetable oil. A misleading name. Vegetable oil might sound healthy, but it's one of the most misunderstood products in the kitchen. Most bottles labeled vegetable oil are not made from vegetables at all. They're usually a mix of low-quality oils like soybean, corn, or canola, oils that have been heavily processed using high heat and chemical solvents like hexane. Why is this a problem? Because this process damages the fats, making them unstable. When heated in your pan, these oils break down and release harmful compounds that contribute to inflammation, digestive discomfort, and stress on your heart. This is especially important for seniors. Inflammation doesn't clear up as quickly as it used to. Over time, these oils can worsen joint pain, raise blood pressure, and increase the risk of heart disease or memory problems. Even if you don't pour vegetable oil directly into your pan, chances are you're still consuming it. It's hidden in packaged snacks, bottled dressings, margarine, and even healthy baked goods. Better alternative: swap out vegetable oil for extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. These oils are far more stable, easier on your digestion, and much better for your heart. Avoiding vegetable oil may seem like a small change, but it's one of the smartest and simplest ways to start protecting your body with every bite. Oil to avoid. Number 2, corn oil, the inflammation booster. Corn oil is another common cooking oil many people assume is safe. It's cheap, easy to find, and used in everything from frying pans to salad dressings. But behind that light golden color is a problem. Corn oil is loaded with omega-6 fatty acids. Our bodies need some omega-6s, but when they outnumber omega-3s, which is very common in modern diets, it leads to chronic inflammation. For seniors already managing conditions like arthritis, high blood pressure, or heart disease, this is especially harmful. Inflammation is often silent, but contributes to nearly every age-related health issue. Corn oil also breaks down quickly when heated. That means when you cook or fry with it, especially if you reuse the oil, it can create harmful compounds that put more stress on your heart, liver, and joints. Another concern is GMO corn. Most corn oil is made from genetically modified crops, often sprayed with pesticides. While the research on long-term effects is still ongoing, many seniors prefer to avoid the risk. The smart move? Ditch corn oil altogether. Use avocado oil for frying or extra virgin olive oil for sautéing and dressing your meals. Not only are they healthier, but they also taste better and support better digestion and energy. Oil to avoid. Number 3, canola oil. The healthy oil. That's not canola oil is often labeled as heart healthy, but the reality is more complicated. Yes, it's low in saturated fat, and it even contains some omega-3s. But those benefits don't hold up when canola oil is processed the way it usually is. Most canola oil is heavily refined, exposed to high heat, bleached, and deodorized before it ever reaches your kitchen. This processing damages the fats, making them unstable and more likely to create inflammation when cooked. That means the oil you thought was helping your heart may actually be putting stress on your arteries, especially when used for frying or sautéing. And like corn oil, canola oil often comes from genetically modified crops, raising concerns for seniors focused on avoiding additives or pesticide exposure. Plus, many products that use canola oil like bottled dressings or light frozen meals, also contain preservatives and added sugars, which further strain digestion and metabolism. The fix? Replace canola oil with macadamia oil or olive oil. These oils are naturally rich in heart-healthy fats and hold up better during cooking. Your meals will taste cleaner, your body will feel less weighed down, and you'll be doing your heart a big favor. Oil to avoid. Number 4, soybean oil. The hidden ingredient that harms them. Soybean oil is everywhere, from salad dressings to baked snacks, sauces, and even frozen foods. You might not use it directly, but it's likely in your kitchen right now, hiding behind the label, vegetable oil. The issue? Like corn and canola, soybean oil is high in omega-6s, which tip your body into a state of chronic inflammation, especially if omega-3s are low. That imbalance has been linked to everything from joint pain to memory loss and digestive trouble. Most soybean oil is also genetically modified and extracted with chemical solvents like hexane. It's then bleached and deodorized, stripping away any real nutrients. For older adults, this matters. A body already working harder to maintain balance doesn't need the added stress of low-quality inflammatory fats. In fact, some research suggests regular soybean oil intake may interfere with brain health and insulin function. Here's the fix. Read food labels carefully. If it doesn't clearly say olive, avocado, or sunflower oil, assume it may contain soybean oil. Choose dressings and snacks made with clean oils, or better yet, make your own at home. Oil to avoid. Number 5, cottonseed oil. The industrial oil that doesn't belong in food. Cottonseed oil isn't technically a food product. It began as a byproduct of the textile industry. And because cotton isn't a food crop, it's often treated with pesticides that don't meet food safety standards. Yet this oil makes its way into crackers, chips, cookies, and even frozen meals under the generic name vegetable oil blend. For seniors trying to reduce toxic exposure and protect liver, heart, and joint health, this is one oil to cut out entirely. Cottonseed oil is extremely high in unstable polyunsaturated fats, which break down quickly under heat. That means more oxidative stress for the liver, more inflammation in your joints, and more strain on your immune system. The best way to avoid it? Skip processed snacks with mystery oil blends. Choose foods with fewer ingredients and use oils you trust in your home cooking. Oils to embrace. Nourishing alternatives that support aging gracefully. Now that we've cleared out the risky oils, let's bring in the 5 oils that deserve a spot in every senior kitchen. These oils support your heart, brain, joints, digestion, and energy. They taste great, store well, and work beautifully in everyday meals. Extra virgin olive oil, rich in anti-inflammatory fats and antioxidants. Great for salads, roasting, or drizzling on cooked veggies. Avocado oil, perfect for high-heat cooking like stir-fries or baking, stable and full of healthy fats. Walnut oil, excellent for cold dishes. High in plant-based omega-3s to support brain and mood. Ghee, clarified butter, a gut-friendly fat with a rich buttery flavor. Lactose-free and great for high-heat cooking. Macadamia oil, a smooth, light oil with a high smoke point and a powerful anti-inflammatory profile. Each of these oils brings more than flavor, they bring function. They help your body age with strength and grace, not inflammation and fatigue. Now that you know which oils to avoid and which ones to embrace, it's clear. The fats you cook with are more than ingredients. They're daily choices that shape your energy, your inflammation levels, your digestion, and even your brain health. For seniors especially, these choices matter. As we age, the body becomes more sensitive to poor quality fats. Processed oils like vegetable, corn, soybean, cottonseed, and canola might be cheap or familiar, but they quietly wear down your resilience over time. They contribute to stiffness, mental fog, high blood pressure, and slower recovery. But there's good news. Making the switch doesn't require a total kitchen overhaul. It starts with one simple action. Replace that old vegetable or corn oil with a clean, stable oil like extra virgin olive, avocado, or macadamia oil. Use ghee if you enjoy butter but want something gentler on digestion. Try walnut oil to support your brain and add depth to your cold dishes. Every drizzle becomes a step toward clearer joints, sharper focus, and a heart that works with you, not against you. And the change isn't just physical. For many seniors, switching oils leads to less bloating after meals, easier movement and reduced joint pain, more stable energy, a fresher, cleaner taste in every dish. Remember, these small shifts create long-term change. The more you cook with nourishing oils, the more your meals become medicine, supporting not just your body, but your independence. Avoid vegetable, corn, soybean, canola, and cottonseed oils. Use instead olive oil, avocado oil, walnut oil, ghee, macadamia oil. Read labels carefully on processed foods and ask about oils when eating out. Store your oils properly. Dark bottles, cool cupboards, refrigerate delicate ones like walnut oil. Cook with confidence, knowing you're fueling your health with every meal. Healthy aging isn't about restriction. It's about intention. It's about knowing that every meal is a chance to either stress the body or support it. And now that you know what to look for, you can make choices that protect your energy, your clarity, and your freedom. So next time you're in the kitchen, reach for oils that love you back. Cook with care and enjoy meals that nourish not just your taste buds, but your future. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. And drop a comment below. What oil do you use the most, and which one are you planning to try next? Until next time, keep cooking with confidence.